Fresh broccolini tossed with lemons and shallots, oven baked, then finished with a tangy lemon butter. I could eat this healthy side dish every night. Let's make our oven roasted broccolini. There is nothing complicated about this tasty treat. Basically a little bit of veg prep work, then we're gonna send broccolini to the oven to bake, then finish it off with a lemony butter. It's all quite fab, and here's how to make it. Prep steps. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. You'll need about 3 bunches of broccolini for this recipe. That's about 1.5 pounds. Trim the ends away and then divide lengthwise in half or quarters. Toss the broccolini into a big mixing bowl. Next, a lemon. Grab one, cut it in half lengthwise, then cut the halves into small wedges. Toss them into the bowl. The recipe calls for 4 shallots. Let's peel them, then quarter them. You can slice them up a little bit, toss them into the bowl as well. Now we're gonna drizzle the bowl with about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're gonna sprinkle it with half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Let's toss everything together thoroughly, then spill the broccolini mix onto a large baking sheet, spread it out evenly. Transfer the tray to the oven. We're gonna bake for about 14 minutes. While the veggies are baking, drop 2 tablespoons of butter into a small bowl along with the juice from half a lemon. We're gonna melt it on stovetop, or you can do this in the microwave. We're gonna set it aside with a pastry brush. When the broccolini is done, we're gonna brush with that lemon butter. Then you can add a sprinkle of kosher salt and black pepper. You're gonna wanna transfer this to a beautiful serving plate or platter, and if you like a little bit of sweet, add a drizzle of aged balsamic vinegar. Sure looks great, and it tastes even better. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when broccolini is this beautiful, take a picture of it and post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Oven roasted broccolini. So fresh tasting and good for us too. Good for you when you make it. Enjoy. Crunchy, fab.